This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Expedition, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With Ford certified pre-owned vehicles, peace of mind comes standard. Featuring a 172-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, vehicle history report, 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty coverage. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, alloy rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.